If you're planning to install solar in Nigeria, stop first. These 5 mistakes can waste your money fast. Welcome to J Solar Academy, where you learn solar from beginner to pro. Number 1. Wrong load calculation. Many people don't calculate what they actually want to power, and they end up buying a system that cannot carry their appliances. This leads to frustration and extra expenses. Number 2. Buying cheap batteries. That cheap battery you're rushing to buy might fail within a few months. Always go for quality batteries. If you can afford lithium, it's a better long-term investment. Number 3. Wrong inverter size. If your inverter is too small for your load, your system will keep tripping or even shut down completely. Always size your inverter correctly. Number 4. Poor installation. Bad wiring, lack of proper protection, and unprofessional setup can damage your entire system. Installation is just as important as the equipment. Number 5. Ignoring sunlight and panel placement. If your solar panels are not positioned properly to receive enough sunlight, your system will not perform efficiently, no matter how expensive it is. Don't make these mistakes. Follow J Solar Academy for real solar knowledge. And if you want to learn solar installation professionally,